What's up, guys? We're here in JPM for the 13-14 Cup case. Jeez, Adam. Before we get started with the team randoms, I forgot to pull up our clock as I do at one timestamp. So, we're going to go live. We're live at 5:36 p.m. It's 5:36 here in Denver. So, guys, we got the names and we got the teams. And then we're going to do both lists 3 times. Guess I should have prepared a little bit more. So we're going to do names first. We got Sean on the bottom and Sean on top. So 3 times. 1. Should have 30. Good. 2. And 3. We got Ben on top and David on the bottom. There we go. And now for the teams. 1, 2, and good luck, everybody. 3. Tampa on top, Tyler Johnson, and Philly on the bottom. I don't know who's Philly's rookie. So I will just scroll through here. Ben, you got Tampa. David, you got the Wild. Daniel, Washington. Maxime, the Jets. Clancy, you got Toronto. Jason, you got the Devils. Ryan, the Florida Panthers. Daniel, the Hurricanes. Jason, the Red Wings. Ryan, the Senators. Yan, you got your home team, Montreal. Sean, Edmonton. Witter, you got Pittsburgh. Yan, Nashville. Clancy, you got Tarasenko. Summertop, you got the LA Kings. Ben, congratulations. You have got the Colorado Avalanche. Congrats, buddy. Joe, you got the Buffalo Sabres. Sean, the Ducks. John, the Stars. Sean, the Rangers. David, the Calgary Flames. Sean Monahan. Ricky, you got Columbus. Max, the Islanders. Jason, the Canucks. Mackenzie, you got the famed Arizona Coyotes. Joe, the Sharks. Yan, the Bruins. Ben, you got Chicago. And David, Philadelphia. There you guys have it.